I just want to do a short video on how to fix the trans fault on a 2019 Fusion and earlier and newer Fusions. This is a 1.5 turbo. A lot of videos out there I'm seeing make it look like it's real easy to see where that shift cable is to replace the bushing, and that's pretty much what you need. Is you need a bushing. These parts are under $5, and then there's a cap, and the bushing was completely gone on this, giving us that no fault or transmission fault. So there's a bracket that holds a shift cable up underneath here, 2 bolts, M10s. Everything's super tight on the 1.5. Do yourself a favor, pull out the air box and the air duct from the air filter. It'll give you a lot more room to work in here to get that new bushing in. Once you take those 2 bolts off that bracket, you can pull the cable back. The cable's actually underneath here. I've already put the new bushing in, but you kind of have to pull this big coolant hose out of the way to even see where that snaps onto the transmission. Like I said, there's a lot of videos out there make it seem easy. They're non-turbo engines. Pull that air box out, pull the 2 bolts off the shift cable, then you can pull the cable into this area, put your new snap your new bushing in, and then route it back on top of the transmission. Hopefully this helps somebody out.